What's up, guys? Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, got the coins coming in. Teacup. Bonjour.
How do you have this energy?
Right? I drank a lot of coffee.
That's dope.
I honestly shouldn't have this much energy because I only got like 4 hours of sleep last night. I had to wake up kind of early this morning to go.
All night.
I woke up early this morning to go surfing. But for whatever reason, I feel great. It's awesome. Cheese is yellow. Yes, it is.
Instagram story. I'll see it. I'll see the surfboards.
Yeah,
Check
I haven't even had time to post on my Instagram, dude. I've been like running around teaching. Yeah, it's a lot of kids have exams this week, I guess, is what it was. So I've been like chock-a-block. Sometimes the moon is made of cheese. I guess it could be made out of cheese. That'd be pretty dope. Let me see. Make sure I'm in the office hours. Yeah, what is everyone saying? Get ready. Get ready for what? What's gonna happen? Am I gonna get raided? Am I gonna get raided during this? That'd be bad. Here at students, we are live, and we are live, and what's something that rhymes with live? Initial, dude. Let's get something. You put ice cream on a plate. I do. Ready to thrive. If you hear any background noise, it might be my mom and died. Oh, your dad. Okay. I was be like, hopefully it's not your. Hopefully your mom didn't die. Like what? Yes, there we go. Thank you, Teacup. Appreciate that. Dope. Wait, so why am I eating the ice cream on a plate? Because this is special ice cream. It's keto ice cream, which means it doesn't have real sugar. And the problem about this type of ice cream is that it doesn't stay together very well. Like, this thing is going to fall apart. Also because it's kind of hot in this studio. So I put a plate.
Anything that isn't keto is what he's saying.
So I need to put a plate here. What's up, Mr. Tiger? What's up? Okay. You don't want to say anything else, Mr. Tiger? Oh, he just came and left. All right.
No fucking way.
Dude, how old are you, Initial, dude? You bought 3 cars, bro? What? What is this? What channel were you sending me all the things that you bought all these cars in? Was it in the recess channel? No, it was in a counselor's office? Yeah, it was.
2 IROCs and 2, well, not 2 IROCs, fuck. 2 Preludes. I forgot what I am getting.
Wait, yeah. IROC is a type of Camaro, is it not? What's up, CV? What happened to your forehead? Did you fall down, dude? What the fuck? Yo, CV, what are you talking about, dude? Good to see you.
That's dope.
We got the OG Bon. Bon is in the chat right now, dude. Fuck yeah. I miss you, Bon. I miss you so much. Bon, you want to come over tonight? You want to go party? We got a lot of things that happened today. A lot of celebrations. Some big celebrations. We got our first 2 actual donations to Actual Education. Yeah. I posted about this on my Facebook yesterday, and I had 2 people actually donate to Actual Education. It was pretty fucking dope. Yeah. We have actual donations, yeah. Awesome and sick. So yeah, big things, dude. Wow, big ups. Big ups. Yeah. Who has Facebook? I have Facebook. I'm old. I have Facebook, you know. Only old people have Facebook.
I'm old now? What?
Yeah, you are old. When is the Actual Education Sprinter van coming? You know, you joke, but I do have a van. You know I have a van, right?
Your cat got taken out or something. I think you said something about the cat.
Yeah, right, I have, right? That's what, this was, what is this? Not loading. This is me surfing this morning with A-Rod. This is the Actual Education van. This is the Actual Education van. But yeah, it was super fun. Yeah, that's why I didn't get much sleep last night because I woke up early to go surf. But it was super fun. Yeah, nice for me. Me and Alex. It was cold.
I thought I was gonna stay up and play Val with my friends. I ended up playing 1 match, didn't load in, and just quit.
Valorant, honestly, I don't really like Valorant. It's kind of like weird. Gold, 3D. I did play CS a lot back in the day. You cuddled in with actual GF. Who's actual GF?
Actual GF is what he's trying to, hint at. I think he's trying to bully you a little.
Oh, okay. Let's pin this. I'm gonna pin this. Okay, cool. All right, it's Friday. Anyone have any cool shit that happened to them today, during school or during the week? Anything to report on?
I had a quiz to take.
Ooh. What was your quiz in?
Systems of education. I don't know what the thing we did last time.
Was it as hard as the 3x3 systems of equation we did last time? Where was that?
Yes, and honestly, I should be taking it right now because it's a take-home quiz. But I'm
It's a
lazy.
take-home quiz. Oh, wait, where did I do the 3x3? Did I do it here?
Shit.
Oh, here it was. This was it.
But
This was
just cheat on that shit, bro.
No, don't cheat on this shit. He
Nah.
doesn't need to cheat.
Then
He already
you
knows how
check
to
your
do it.
work after, and then
But
you
this-
learn through the steps.
This was the big 3x3 we did on yesterday. This was the big 3x3 system of equations,
It was like
right?
16
This thing's up.
questions.
Yeah, this thing's massive, dude. He has us though. He's less depressed. I am. Y'all keep me happy, I guess, or something to that extent. Dr. Gold, I got 100 on my social studies. Yeah, good job, dude. Good job, Red Pizza. Red Pizza, you gonna play Roblox with us later? We're gonna play Roblox.
Yo, Roblox.
Let's see. Ooh, we got lots of questions here. Let's go through the questions here. Let me announce the stream real quick. All right. Welcome everyone to Office Hours. My name is Dr. Gold. This is Actual Education, the stream that helps you out with math homework, science homework, all sorts of homework. It's Friday. As I was saying, yeah, we got some donations in the stream. I'm really happy. That's awesome. Like, I didn't think that would actually happen, but that's super sick. We got a lot of questions to do today. Let's see. I'm confused with all this. Cool. Lots of stuff. Okay, cool. Ethan, you here? You want to do yours first? Here, let's do yours first, Ethan. Let's move and groove. Let's move and groove today.
If he doesn't respond in 30 seconds, it's my.
No, dude. Ethan always responds within like 5 seconds.
I don't think he's here. I think he's late.
No,
He's
he
not in the V4 on the Twitch yet.
Oh, he's not on
And
the
usually
Twitch.
he's redeemed the coin by now.
Okay. God damn it.
Let's give him like 2 minutes.
What is the nullity of the Matrix? Dude, what even is this? dog?
Yeah. I told you we were doing this.
What is this? What is the nullity of the Matrix? Do you just type in like I
Oh,
want
Ethan
random?
here?
You just type in I want random questions in like.
Oh, Ethan's here.
Oh, Ethan. What's up, Ethan? Ethan, you here?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, cool. All right, let's do your question. Teacup, can you find me something else, dude? I don't even know what the nullity of a matrix is.
Man.
Find me something. What do you do? You're doing systems of equations. Is that what you're doing
Yeah.
in your class? I'm trying to think what's like harder
Yeah.
than that.
I think I can just check my notes and see what comes next.
There you
Do I
go.
really want to do that?
Yes. Let me help you with the stuff you're gonna do next. I love ice cream. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I'd love to have a digital note.
Go look at it. I'll help you out. All right, Ethan, are you here?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, good. All right. Why is my pen acting all weird? Okay. Oh no.
Hey,
Bring that back.
Hey,
What's up, Ethan?
I was planning to try and get 100 for math throughout the entire semester, but I don't know if that's even possible at this point.
It's okay. You want to get 100 bond coins by the end of the month? Is that what you said?
No, I didn't say I didn't say 100 coins. I said 100 GPA. I said.
Like a 4.0 GPA. Like you want to get all A's in all your class. Well, that's like you don't have to get 100.
Like 100. No, I mean like 100 on the math. Like trying to get that.
Oh wow. Well, I mean, yeah, that's cool. You should try to get 100, but also like getting anything between a 90 and 100, and like that's
That's dope.
pretty dope as well, dude. Like don't worry, you don't have to get 100. Nobody's perfect,
Well,
especially not me.
well, it's fine. I got another stuff to target anyways.
All right, here we go. The acute angles of a rhombus are 76 degrees. If the shorter diagonal length is 8, calculate the lengths of the sides of the rhombus to the nearest millimeter. All right, that's a good question. First of all, you know what a rhombus is?
Almost like a square, I suppose, or not a square, but it's like
it's like
the sides are a little different.
it's a four-sided shape, right? Okay. But
It's
what makes
almost like a rectangle, you know, where two sides are same. Where the two
It's
sides are
close.
the same, you know.
It's close. Yeah. The key thing about a rhombus is that all the sides are the same length. Do you see how we have lines here through everything?
It's literally like a square then.
It's a square, but it's tilted. It's a square that's been like slanted
Yeah.
over. Okay, good. All right. So, so if we had our square, right, and let's say it looked something like this. Okay. Ignore this part. Well, we can bring it back. Okay. All right. They say that the shorter diagonal is 8, and they say the acute angles are 76. Do you know what the acute angles are?
The acute angles.
This is a good question for everyone else.
I'm having a hard time remembering. I'm having a hard time remembering what is acute, but I think it's when it's like more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees.
Less than 90. Less than 90 is acute. So, acute is less
Dang
than
it.
90. The way I
What was the one I said? The
obtuse. Obtuse is greater than 90. Think about this, right? Obtuse is like
Okay.
obese. Like obese is like big, right? Don't want to be obese. So obtuse is
gotcha.
greater than 90, right? And then I don't know, cute shit is usually small. Like, you know, you've seen like a picture of like what is it? Like a teacup cat. You seen these things? These things are so cute. Look, little teacup cat. Really fucking cute ass cats. Yeah, look at these little teacup cats. So if something's small, it's usually cute. That's why I would call that a cute. A cute is small. Okay.
Huh.
So the cute ones are going to be these ones. This one is 76 degrees, right? And this one is 76 degrees, okay? How do I know what the angle of these ones are?
Hold on. It's like you have to add up 76 and 76, right?
Yeah, good. 76 plus 76, right? And then we got to add up these sides, right?
Yeah.
Rats are small, they are ugly. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Shifter.
You see, they add up to 152. You know, they add up to 152.
Yeah, this adds up to 152. Okay. But then you have two other angles, right? These angles are going to be the same, by the way. Like, the opposite angles
Yeah.
are the same. The reason for that is because the sides opposite are the same and everything. Actually, no, that's not the reason.
All right.
But, yeah, whatever. The angles are the same. So, but what do you know the angles of everything that's a four-sided shape? What do those add up to?
I'm having a hard time trying to know what that is, but
Okay,
I
think
feel
about
like you
a
have to divide
square.
180.
Yeah, think about a square. What are all the angles that add up to in a square? Like, what are the angles in a square?
All
That's a
the
good question.
angles?
What are the angles in a square?
I don't get that. I don't get that there.
You don't get what the angles on a square are?
Yeah, I don't get that.
Okay, that's all right. If I draw a square, Ethan, these are the angles, right? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
What are those angles?
Yeah, these look like right angles or something. But
Good. Yes, they are.
that
They are right angles.
hold
Okay.
on.
What is the value of a right angle?
It's like 90 degrees.
Nice.
Yes. How many are there?
4.
Good. So, what's the total amount of angles in
I
a
feel
square?
like it's 45.
It's
I feel
45.
like they all have to be like 45 degrees.
No. Stop. Each one of these is 90, right? Do you see that?
Yeah.
And there are 4 of them, okay? So what's the total angle inside?
360.
Okay. It's the same thing for this. Any four-sided shape needs to add up to 360, okay? So you have 152, right? Plus this angle plus the other angle has to equal 360, right? Okay. How am I gonna get what this angle is?
I think you have to subtract maybe
Yeah, subtract what?
360 by 152.
360 by 152. That's good. What do you get there?
208.
Good. 208, right, is equal to question mark plus question mark, right? The other way to write this is to write this in terms of algebra and say this is 2x, right? It's 2 times some variable, right?
Alright.
Okay, so what is x going to be?
I think you have to divide, right?
Good. Divide by 2, right?
This is 104, right? 104.
Yes, 104. Good. X equals 104. All right. So this is 140 degrees, and this is 140 degrees. Cool?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right. They tell me that the shorter diagonal has a length of 8. Okay, so it's good to get the angles here, and then they tell me that this is a diagonal here. They say that this has a length of 8. Okay.
Yo.
Yo, what's up, Nick? Good to see you, dude. And then they want to know what this angle. They want to know what this diagonal length is. They want to know what this one is. Okay. There are a couple ways to do this. I'm gonna use the law of sines. Okay. You may have not learned the law of sines. I'm gonna teach it to you though. Okay. Law of sines says. Okay. So do you see how this line cuts this angle in half?
Hold on. Let me see.
This line.
Oh,
This
this
blue
line cuts the angle in.
half, right? So what is this angle here gonna be? We're gonna need our calculator eventually.
It looks like it's like when you're cutting it in half, it almost looks like a complete triangle, you know, a different triangle.
It is another triangle, right? We're gonna use some properties of that to figure that out. Okay, but how much is that triangle? Right, what's that angle there?
Okay, I think you have to cut it in half, right? Like cut all the angles in half.
Yeah, we're gonna cut the 104 in half. So what does that make it be? What does it become?
52.
52. Okay. Look here, we're gonna have a new triangle here. Okay, we're gonna make a completely new triangle out of this, and this will help us out. Okay. Okay. This is a triangle that looks something like this, right? Where we know that this part of the triangle is this part, right? That has a length of 8. We know that this is 76 degrees, and we know that this is 52 degrees, and this is 52 degrees, okay? And we're trying to figure out, eventually the whole diagonal, but we can just find this part, which would be this, okay? You see that? Like this part here is this part of the triangle. Good. Okay. That splits this in half, right? So this is now going to be 4, all right? And this is a 90 degrees, right? Okay. And that's going to split this in half. So instead of this being 76, this is going to be 38 degrees. Okay. You see how we're making like triangles out of triangles?
True.
Yeah, this is a smart thing to do here. 90, 52, 38, okay. And we know this length is 4, so we want to figure out this length. So I'm going to teach you something. It's called trig. What we're going to use is a function called sine, all right? Sine of an angle is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, okay?
Wait, first of all, what's the hypotenuse again?
The hypotenuse is
Nothing.
yeah, no, good. The hypotenuse is going to be this length is what it's going to be. But we actually don't have another one of the lengths, do we? Man, did they really do that to us? Yeah, they did to that. All right, so okay, never mind. Skip that. Yeah, I take that back. We're going to do this. Sine of an angle divided by the side is equal to the sine of another angle, let's say like angle 2, divided by the other side, okay? So,
All right.
this is called law of sines. So right here you have 38 degrees. So I'm going to say sine of 38 degrees divided by the side opposite of it. Do you see how this is the side opposite of it? 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Is equal to the sine of another angle. What's another angle in this triangle?
Another angle?
Yeah.
Let me see. I think it's 62, right? 62.
52. Sorry. This is a 52. So 52 degrees over. Do you see how this is the opposite side to it, right?
Yeah.
So we don't know that, right? Okay. Awesome. Okay, cool. So we can now solve for x here, right? We can do like the butterfly method, right? Where we like, we do this. So I'm going to multiply these two together. So 4 sine of 52 degrees is equal to x sine of 38 degrees, right? And now we're just going to divide both sides by the sine of 38. So x is now equal to this, which we can use our calculator for, right? So I'm going to do, what is this? 4 sine 52 divided by the sine of 38, right? And that's going to get me 5.12, right? 5.12. Okay? Which is going to be the length of this, right? Now let's remember, Ethan, this length was this length, right? This is going to be 5.12? Okay? And that was the length of this. So how am I going to get the length of the whole thing, Ethan?
Hold on, could you take a step back because I felt like I had the answer.
Okay. What's the answer?
Wait, hold on. I said I felt like I know the answer, but could you go back and explain it again from where you last picked out?
Well, where was that? There's a lot of stuff I did.
It's like when you said that. It's like, when did you get the 0.12 thing then? Just say that.
Oh, I got the 5.12 by doing this. 4 of sine 52 divided by sine of 38. I got this number, right?
Okay, how does the sign even work then? Is it complicated?
It's a function. Yeah, it's complicated. Yeah, it would take me more time than this stream to explain to you why it works. Just trust me that it works for now.
Okay, well.
That's how we got the number, and that tells me what this side is. Okay?
So that's 5.12.
Good. Which, remember, that was the same side as like this. Do you see how this triangle, right, was right there? So that's 5.12.
Mhm.
Okay? Which was
All
this
right.
part of the triangle. So how much is the whole thing?
Do you have to add up two numbers for that? Like
Yes.
the 8 and the 5.
No. You want this doubled, right? You see how this doubled will get me the whole length?
Alright.
So we're going to just multiply it by 2, okay? And then you're going to get a final length, which is 10.24 millimeters. And there you go. Now you're done. Cool?
Thanks for that.
Nice, dude. It's a good one. One sec. Who's saying thing? One sec. I have your volume is very low, Hamegasus.
Alright, I'm gonna change it real quick.
Yeah, change
See
it a
if
little
I
bit.
can.
You're good.
How do I change my volume?
I don't know. Whatever your mic is. that's
Like this is better?
There you go. Yeah, talking to the mic, man. Talking to the mic, dude.
I have another thing. I'm finally done with my antibiotics. It took me like a while, but I did it.
Oh shit! What happened? Did you get sick or some shit?
No, it's not really sick. I've had to, have an abscess in
Oh damn.
and because I have Crohn's disease, it's the only way to take care of it.
Oh, who do I know has Crohn's? My friend actually. What's her name? And then who's that famous guy? He dated Ariana Grande. He has
Mr.
Crohn's.
Beast.
Does Mr. Beast have
Mr.
Crohn's?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, that's so interesting, dude. Someone else has Crohn's disease. Who is it? Crohn's disease people. people who have Crohn's disease.
Crohn's disease people are calling us a different.
No, people with
different
okay, here, celebrities with Crohn's. That's what I want to say. There. My bad. Here you go.
There you go.
Dwight Eisenhower had Crohn's. That's pretty cool.
That's close to my last name.
Oh, this guy. Fuck, what's this dude's name?
Oh, that's the dude that his dad.
Yes, Pete Davidson. Pete Davidson
Yeah.
has Crohn's. Yes.
I didn't know that Pete Davidson had Crohn's.
Yeah, he's Mr. Beast. That's cool. Big Swole. Yeah, not a lot of people, but you know, like some very big, important, famous people have Crohn's. So it's not a rare thing, I guess. You know. But all right, cool, man, dude. Yeah, antibiotics like they wreck your stomach though, dude. Like you can't like it's hard to like eat things, right? Like because you're
honest.
Yeah?
I eat beforehand. I don't eat after.
Oh, okay. Because yeah, usually
Okay.
antibiotics like they kind of wreck the natural bacteria. Like antibiotics, that's what it means. It kills bacteria. Your stomach has bacteria in it naturally that it uses to break down food, and antibiotics take those away. They're meant to take away the bad bacteria, but they also take away the good bacteria that you need in your stomach, and that's why it can be kind
I
of hard.
guess I'm smart on accident. I don't know.
Yeah, well, that's okay. You're good. Cool, man, dude. I'm glad you're off. Do you wanna play? We're gonna play Roblox later. We're gonna do in like 35 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
I
If I can get my account,
Go get it
if I
back.
can get my darn account back, because like basically what happened was like the account changed. I had the same account. I'm gonna try and log back in, but it logged me out.
Try it out. Do the lost password. What's up, Ethan? What's up, dude?
I can already see the answer to this. I can already tell what's the answer.
I know. Well, let's ask Teacup. Teacup, this is your question. What's up, Teacup?
Bro, this is literally one of the simplest things I've seen.
I know. What's up, Teacup? What's the answer to this? I can't hear you, Teacup. Teacup. There you go.
Hello.
Someone help Quantum Shadow in the Twitch chat with how to buy things with channel points. It's not that, you know. Teacup, this is your question. Do you want to do this one? Teacup! Man. Mr. Bean's gonna wait for Teacup, dude.
Bro, should I really just say the answer?
Yes, you can say the answer, Ethan.
Why don't you write it down then? Why don't you write it down?
Well, I want you to tell me. Tell me, what is it?
77.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, there we go.
It.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, 77 m to the 5th t cubed.
Oh, just answer. Okay, I quit.
All right, I'm gonna give you a harder one. Teacup. You know how to do this, dog. Come on, dude. All right, harder one.
Literally,
You asked for the stuff we're doing in class next.
That's
like,
cool.
Oh, we don't know what it's yours.
There you go, dude. Quantum Shadow figured it out. Good job, dude. Okay. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna give you a harder one, dude. Okay. Let's say I have.
Like what nodity?
Yeah. What the fuck, dude, bro? I don't know what the fuck this is.
Learn what nodity is.
I've taken a lot of math. I've never had to find the null of a matrix. Like, no.
Find the null of the matrix code.
Oh my god. And is the nullity the same as the null? Like, I don't know, dude. Okay, whatever. That's some special.
No one knows.
Okay, here we're gonna do m to the 3. We actually gonna do different things. A to the 2nd, b to the 3rd, c to the -4, times 2. What do I want to do here? I want to make something fun. I want to make it fun. What do I want to do here?
For monomials, don't you just like multiply the coefficients and then just like add up the exponent?
Yeah, but I'm gonna make it slightly harder.
It's not that hard.
I'm gonna make it slightly harder.
Oh god, there's different variables now.
No, yeah. Dude, what? Nothing Okay, 3's a fucking ugly number. That's the problem. Okay.
Really? A freaking ugly number? You gotta say that?
3's an ugly number, dude.
No one likes the number 3.
No one likes the number.
Fun.
Okay. I'm gonna say 16. A. B to the -2. C. And then I want you to do the square root of all of that. Yeah, it's a good one. All right, how did I do this, Teacup? I made it. I tried to make it very difficult for Teacup.
Well, how the hell am I supposed to find a dang square root of that?
I know, right? It's gonna get hard. Okay, let's try. Come on, guys.
Math.
Actually, I'm gonna change some numbers around.
All right, I'm back with my tea. Okay, so
Yes,
first we
isn't
want to
choosing
do,
numbers.
I'm gonna change some.
Guys,
I'm gonna change some numbers
Ethan.
here.
Ethan, all you want to do is simplify the stuff inside the square root and just do the square root.
Yes, correct. Thank you.
Wowzers.
These wowzers! Teacup's a smart boy.
Nice.
No, I'm waiting.
Okay.
My IQ is like 107.
Dude, what was this, dude? You had an IEP, bro? What is this individualized education plan? What is that? Sorry.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I mean, I'm special ed.
You are not special ed.
I am.
no.
You are not special ed, bro. I'm gonna come to whatever fucking school you go to and like slap that counselor and be like, "Your Teacup is not special ed." Wait, are you serious? You're in like a special, like wait, like special, like you're smarter, or special, like you need help?
Special ed is when you need help.
Well,
dude.
no, I was in the class for it. I graduated out of that, but now I just have the IEP. So
So what is an IEP? Sorry, explain to me. I'm just new. I'm just new to this whole like
It's like when you get pairs and stuff.
Oh, you have like a coach? You have like a mentor or something?
Yeah, kind of.
No, it's
Oh,
just
okay.
like it's a person that's a little bit below a teacher, and she just follows you around, helps you around with
I don't really have
any
that.
work you have or whatever.
Oh, so they gave you like a a Dr. Gold, but without the gold that like just helps you out with shit.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
basically.
I don't get it in all my classes. I get it in like one class.
Okay, yeah, you don't need that, dude. You're fucking smart, dude. Like, you're fine. But okay, how to do this? Let's do this
The
one.
main thing is, it's not even because here. I'm gonna put exactly what it said.
Okay, please. Yeah, I want to know why some school district thought that you need like special help. Like, you don't need special help. And then yes, trash can. I'll do your question next. Symptoms of ADHD and autism, bro. Okay, all right. One sec. I'm gonna go on a little rant here. Little rant. Because.
Only a
Well, no, I definitely have ADHD. I'm playing.
Dude, everyone has ADHD. Like, dude, that's the biggest fucking joke in America, dude. And I swear it's being just like pushed by like prescription pill companies. Like, everybody has ADHD, dude. Like, what? No. Do you know why y'all all have ADHD? It's because of TikTok. like, social media, like everything you guys watch is all just like swipe, blah, 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 blah. Of course everyone has ADHD.
Well, what do you mean?
I know, dude. Anyways,
I don't have TikTok. I'm still stuck in the YouTube of watching an hour-long video.
It's just, I don't know. I feel like when people start like when teachers and counselors and like medical people start like giving these diagnoses out to people, being like, you have ADHD, you have autism, you kind of put yourself in a box.
Shit, I didn't know that thing.
Yeah, and then like you start being like, oh well, I'm not normal or I'm fucked up, like I can't do things, and it's just like, no, that's not true.
And then it starts being your mental.
Yeah, and then you do get autism and ADHD
yeah.
because you believe it. Yeah. No, bro. No, you are fine. You are fine,
I'm
Tika.
sad.
No, you are fine, dude. What, dude?
Well, I'm not sad because of that. I'm sad because they said my IQ was 107.
Oh, that's pretty low. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, don't take that shit too seriously, man, dude. You got like some crackpot fucking counselor in Florida doesn't fucking know anything, saying that you have autism and ADHD. Like, no.
Imagine he comes to school like, yeah, Dr. Cold called you up.
Dr. Gold? Yeah, dude. Tell him, dude. Tell him. Yeah, I went to another doctor. Dr. Gold diagnosed me and said I don't have ADHD and autism.
Yo, bro.
Oh man, dude. I would, dude. Yeah, I'll call him. Give me their fucking phone number, dude.
Bro.
I'll call him, dude. I'll call them.
You were smoking crack, bro, when you were diagnosing me. That's what Gold
said. I get upset at that. I get upset because I see too many students where like their parents are very quick to say that there's something wrong with them. Let's go like get them diagnosed and let's get them some pills. And like in reality, you don't need that, you know, and that just makes things worse. Like this is just natural symptoms of like our society.
Free money to the
just giving free money to the pill companies and also fucking you up, dude. Like those chemicals like Vyvanse, Adderall, whatever this shit, these ADHD meds is literally prescription meth. And so like that comes with side effects which aren't good. Yeah, believe me, dude. You don't want to do meth. Don't do it.
Nah, boy, I want to be Walter Hartwell White in New Mexico.
Okay. What's up,
What if I try
Ethan?
at least helping out? What if I try finding the square root then? Like, let me at least help him for a bit.
Oh yeah, let's try and do this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Let's do this question. I got a lot of questions to get through. So Tika, what's up? How do we do this? Ethan, you can help him too.
Well,
But just find the square root of the number 4 and 16.
That's a good start. You could do that. Yeah, that would do.
I would rather do 4 times 16.
Which is like 2 and.
Oh my god.
That's okay.
And
I want to see
4?
both ways. Yes. All right.
I have a question.
What's up? Is it math related or is it pills?
Why does New York just doesn't give a shit about the degree? No, I mean like the.
Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean the degree? New York doesn't give a shit about what?
Bro, my mind.
It's okay. Do you need pills?
Negative 4 degrees. It's cold as shit.
Okay.
One
Oh, the
day it's
spectrum.
60
The
degrees,
spectrum.
then it's -4.
Oh, you're talking about the weather. The weather. The
Yeah,
weather.
yeah, bro. My mind.
What's
Yeah,
your
it's okay.
temperature?
My
Right now
temperature's
it's
fine here.
-4, bro.
He's at -4. We're like
Me,
62 right now,
literally
dude.
6, 7 right now.
Damn.
No,
The
not
Bronx.
-4, -6 now. Yay! Yo, I'm freezing to death.
Nice,
Please
nice.
help.
Okay. All right,
Bronx
here.
right now, and I'm freezing.
Yeah. Well, are you gonna play Blocks Fruit with us later, OP?
Oh yeah, we're playing Bloxwood together.
That's
Lock it again.
Yeah, Blocks
Yeah,
Fruit.
put me in.
Yeah,
if
he's in.
no one changes the game, yeah.
If no one changes the game, though, yeah, you can still change the game for 5K.
And then
Okay.
me and RIP Law already voted for Bloxwood, so
There we go.
majority already won.
That's dope, dude. All right.
Yeah, nice.
All right. Teacup, you're right here. And Ethan, I'm gonna show why you're right as well. So 4 times 16 is 64. Good. You add the exponents. A to the 8th. 4 minus 2. B to the 2nd. C to the minus 2. There's still a square root over it, right? Okay. How do I now do the square root?
Okay, so
And
now
then you just do the square root of 64, which is 8, because 8 times 8 is 64.
Good. Yes, that's
but
correct.
you also have the exponents.
Good. Yes, we will do those. But see, Ethan, do you see how you wanted to do the square root of 4 and then the square root of 16, right? Which was going to be 2 and 8, or 2 and 4, sorry, right? Do you see how you get the
Yeah,
same
and then-
thing?
And then,
You get the same thing, right?
yeah, see, it's like multiplication and addition are commutative. Commutative? How do you say it?
Yeah, commutative. It's commutative. Yeah. Okay.
Commutative property of like multiplication.
All right, but you're right, Teacup. We still got this stuff, right? What is this square root going to do to all the exponents? That's a good question.
It's gonna low.
Do they like cut them in half or something?
Yes, Ethan. Good
We
job.
got
And
A4.
Teacup, you got it too. Yeah, good. Right?
A4,
How much of
B1,
it just
C,
expanded on?
I think.
I'm glad you guys are getting this, dude. Be the
Is it
one,
C,
C the
negative
one.
1 or C1?
C to the minus 1, because this is a -2. -2 still gets cut in half to -1. Okay. What is steep steps? Okay. And then okay, this is not simplified though. Because we don't like negative exponents. We don't like negative exponents.
You basically have on a fraction, so it's like 8 A4 B first over C to the first.
Yes, dude. Good job, guys. I like the tag teaming on that one. That was pretty cool.
Boy, it wasn't even a tag team. I couldn't even answer in time.
Yeah, I know. Well, here you go. Here. It kind of was a tag team because you guys did it 2 different ways. Okay, what if it was this though, guys? What if it was B to the first, C to the -6? I want Teacup to answer this one. Teacup, what would this one be?
Well, you don't want me answering this.
No, well, you answered the last one. Let Teacup answer this one. You're good.
Fine.
I appreciate you
Don't we
being
do
smart
a-
and
what's
getting
the
it.
cool thingy?
Yes. So it's what? What is it? What does it become?
Fine, figure it out.
A to the
Does
fourth.
negative become the numerator? The C becomes the numerator.
Ah, that's a good question. Yeah. Okay. Ethan, do you know?
Hold on. Sorry, I'm lagging. What is he asking right now? I can't see the Twitch chat.
Oh, okay. Can you not
see
see the
that, Sonny?
Discord? Okay. The C to the -6. How do I write this C to the -6?
What? Isn't it just C over? Isn't it A 8 A4 B first over C to the 6?
Yes. Okay, so Teacup, what happens, man, when we have a negative exponent here, dude, is we're going to flip
You
it,
don't like.
and then you're going to make the exponent positive. Does
Yeah,
that make
close
sense?
enough.
Yeah, close enough, right? The same thing happens if you had, for instance, here, C to the -3, this would flip up to, the negative makes it flip up, and then you change the exponent to be positive. So this is just C3 over 1, right?
Okay.
Cool.
See, this is why I asked the hard questions, because the second I ask an easy one, I start getting berated by Ethan.
No, it's okay. He's not berated. He's just eager to like to answer the questions. It's all good.
Well, the first word he said is, "This is the
Bro,
easiest thing."
is he complaining about me helping?
No,
him? Come
he's-
on. nothing's
Yes, I
wrong.
am.
It's okay. It's all right, guys. You guys are fine. All right, cool. All right, good job, Teacup. Good job. All right, cool. Let me see. Trash. Are you here, Trash? Where's Trash? Let me tag him a bunch of times.
But you can't just tag him a lot of times, you know.
Paging Dr. Trash. Paging Trash.
Also, I don't understand this thing. I don't understand a slope.
Yeah, that's good. Someone else is gonna ask about slope.
I'm sorry. Blow goes from talking them from doing monomials like that to not knowing what a slope is.
Yeah, well, so different people in different math classes go through different things in different orders. I know, it's really weird sometimes. Like, sometimes I'll get to a student and, like, they're doing integrals, but they've never done derivatives. I'm like, no, you should learn derivatives
how the
first, then
hell?
integrals. Okay, what's up, Trash? Get in the VC. Get in the VC, dude. Get in the
I
VC.
think
So
I want to hear him in the VC, actually.
I need people in the VC so I can help them. I'm not doing shit over text is like fucking difficult. Especially when
I think the main issue is the delay. If there was like 0 latency, it would be perfectly fine.
Yeah, but even so,
Well,
like,
depending on how fast they can
yeah, but I like to explain. Okay, here we're gonna learn slope. Ethan, we're gonna learn slope here. We're gonna learn slope with Trash. Trash, what's up, dude? Trash, your name can also not be Trash if you don't want your name to be Trash. Like for those of you watching on the stream, I'm not calling him Trash because he's Trash. His username is literally Trash.
Yeah, literally. Too much trust is in the name.
What's up, Trash, dude? Trash, where you at, dude?
So his name's actually really cool, not Trash.
Really cool, not Trash. Waiting for him to. Oh, really cool, not Trash. I like that. That's a better name. Did you rename him to really cool? Did you rename him to really cool, not Trash?
I renamed him.
Okay.
Yeah, who changed it to that?
Oh.
I think his name was like Trash Can is disgusting.
Trash Can is disgusting. Which yeah, Trash Can is
just calling
disgusting.
him Trash, and I felt
Yeah. I can hear you in the Twitch. Okay. Okay. Can you not talk in the VC? Can you not talk in the VC? It's cool if you can talk in the VC. It helps us out. Okay, because yeah, this is definitely wrong. These things are wrong. Let me help you out. Yeah, you think you can? Yeah, you're in. You're just muted. So unmute yourself in the Twitch. Sorry, in the Discord. There you go. Yes. Welcome. Really cool. Not Trash is here. What's up?
Also, so I'm confused about this.
Yeah, that's okay, man. So they're giving you a point and they're telling you the slope and they want you to draw the graph. Okay?
All right.
So the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to draw where the point is. Okay? So where's the point 2, 1?
Oh, you
Online.
go 2 right and up 1.
Yes, we're going to go over right 2, up 1, right? That's right here. Okay? And now they tell you the slope. Do we remember like how slope is, what is it? R over R. What is it? Good. Rise over run. Rise over run. Or the other way to write that is delta y over delta x, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you know this is 4, right? But this doesn't really look like a fraction. How could I write this 4 as a fraction?
4 over 1.
4 over 1. Perfect. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your point here, right? And you're going to go your delta y and your delta x. So what's delta y?
4.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now we're up here. And then what do we do? What's our delta x?
Go left. 1.
No.
Right
Don't go left. Go right. Yeah. Right is positive. Up is positive.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1. And there you go. Now you have 2 points. Okay. And so you can draw a line in between these. Okay. And then you are done. You see how that works?
Yeah.
Okay, but let's try on this one. This one's a little oh, I moved the whole thing. This one's a little bit harder, right? So again, 2, 1. But now they say the slope is -4. How do we do that?
So we go. So it's -4 over 1. So we go.
It's -4 over 1. So there's 2 ways. You could make the negative do the delta y, or which would make it go down, or you can make the negative do the delta x, which means it would go left. You choose. You tell me which one you want, but it's only one of them. It's not both.
-y.
Okay. So I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then what am I going to do?
Go left. Right
No.
1.
Go right. Because remember, you already used the negative on the y, you know? It's like with OP, dude. If you already used the blocks fruit, dude, you can't use it again, you know? Like, there you go. Awesome. So you see how these are very similar lines, but you see how this one is like going up as we go to the right? That's called a positive slope, right? And you see how this one is going down as we go to the right? That's a negative slope. Okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Does that make more sense to you, dude?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Awesome, dude. Congratulations. Let's get you a bond coin. Really cool Trash. Oh, sick. You hit 10.
Nice.
Nice, dude. You got 10 bond coins. You know what that means, right? You know what you can do with 10 bond coins? Look, he got 10 bond coins, dude.
Tier 1 first prize, boy.
Tier 1 prize. Yes. So once you get 10 bond coins, just go over here to the prize room channel, and then who's playing chess in the prize room? God damn it. Okay, whatever. You just hit /shop like this, and then it will show you all the gifts you can buy. And so once if you see the tier 1 for 10, just buy it and then send me a DM, and then I'll get you the V-Bucks you want, you know, or if you want COD points or Valorant points, I don't care, whatever it is. Okay, but nice. Congrats, dude. Congrats on making it to tier 1. There's a lot more tiers, so stick around, dude. You can get more V-Bucks, more stuff. You just gotta keep asking questions and getting help. XX Quantum Shadow X. Hey Gold, what fruit do you have in Blocks Fruit? I think OP Black gave me. What'd you give me? The rubber? Did you give me the rubber fruit? Rubber fruit? The one you gave me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the rubber fruit. It's a pretty dope fruit. I'm a fan of it.
No, it's not that
We're gonna
good.
be
Trust
grinding
me.
Blocks Fruit today. We're gonna have to get to level 5 million gold.
Yeah, right.
We
Well,
gotta get-
someone
Yeah.
tag Pug. Someone tag Pug. Get
You
Pug
guys
in.
know you guys can reach level 500, right? It's only the max level is
The max level is like
1,450.
2,000 is the max level, dude.
1,450.
Yo, XX Quantum Shadow X says, feel free to ask for any fruit. I haven't played in forever. However, I have all the fruits to give. Oh, dude. Yo, let's get our boy, dude. We gotta get you in Blocks Fruit today, dude. He says he's got fruits to give out, dude. We gotta get the fruits.
I'm getting leopard. Oh my god.
Oh, leopard, dude. Yo, bro, can I get one of? Yeah, teacup. Yeah, dude. Let's get the magma, dude. I want the magma one. The magma one looks dope. The magma fruit.
I used it before, but like, if he's giving out fruits, I think you should go for like a mythic.
A mythic
what I
fruit.
mean?
I'll go to a mythic
But what's
fruit.
like
Imagine not having leopard.
Leopard, is leopard a dope fruit?
Shut
Rip.
up.
Is leopard a dope fruit? Rip Law.
Let's go for
Best
PvP.
fruit.
Yeah. All right. Here, let me. Red Pizza. You here, dude?
Yeah,
I saw
I'm
you.
here.
What's
Can you
up?
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, dude. All right, let's go through some help, dude. All right. Which do you know how to do this one? This is combining like terms. This is kind of cool.
Yeah, so a little.
Okay,
so
it's okay.
I did it in math today. So
Alright.
I think basically what you do is just add the negative 4q
Negative
to
4q
the
to what?
negative 8q,
Uh-huh.
which is to the negative 8q.
Well, see, you're actually subtracting it. Do you see how you're doing negative 4q minus negative 8q?
Yeah.
What do you got to do when you have negatives and negatives?
It turns into a positive.
Yes, yeah, this becomes a positive, right? So this is plus 8q is what we would say. If you have minus a negative, it turns it into a positive, okay? And then what else? Then we still got the plus 10, right?
Yeah, and then plus 10.
Okay, what do we do next?
And then you do the negative 4q plus the 8q.
Good.
And you
What
get
does that get you?
4q.
Good. Nice. And then it's just
you
4q
just- yeah, plus 10.
plus 10, dude. Nice, dude. Easy.
I'll be back in a minute.
All right, cool. I'll see you in a second. All right, here. I want to give you a slightly harder one. Pizza. Cool.
All right.
Slightly harder. All right. Let's say we have. Have you done anything with exponents yet?
No. I don't
Probably
think
not. It's
so
okay.
yet.
Have you done distributing? Have you done distributing stuff yet? Have you done that? Like
You know what exponential?
yeah,
Probably
yeah.
don't even know what they are.
Well, okay. Do you know? Have you done this before? Do you know that this is 3a plus 3b? Have you done this before? Pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right.
3.
Do you see it? Yeah, you know, like you distribute it this way, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Here, all right. I'm gonna give you a good one here. I'm gonna do 5q minus 3 p minus 2q plus 2p. Let's try to do this one. Little tricky.
Mm.
All right. What do you think you do first here?
So my math teacher usually puts a 1 in front of the p.
That's a good idea.
Uh,
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's good.
the coefficient. So then it'd be 1p minus 2q.
Yeah.
Um,
Are these
they're
like
not
terms?
terms.
They're not,
Yeah,
right?
They're not like terms.
They're not like terms because one's a P
Then-
and one's a Q.
Yeah. So then I could do 5q.
Mm-hmm.
Would the 2q be negative since there's a minus in front?
So it would be
Since my
negative,
math teacher-
but do you see pizza how it's in parentheses and there's something like outside the parentheses first, right?
Yeah.
We gotta distribute this thing first before we can start combining it because right now this is like locked in the house, like we can't get to it yet. We have to break open the parentheses somehow. How are we gonna do that?
I don't know.
Okay, that's okay.
Maybe the 2p.
So
Or
let's remember.
we'd only use-
Let's say we had like 3a plus b, right? Do you see how this would be 3 times a plus 3 times b, right? You just distribute it that way, right?
Yeah.
You can do the same thing here, right? See how you can distribute it?
So would it be 4p?
Close. And then here's another, I put another tricky thing here in pizza. I put a minus here. What you want to do is you always want to
so
call
you-
this plus negative. You want to do plus negative, okay. And then, yeah, let's do this one first. So this is negative 3 times 1p. What is that?
That, wait.
Yeah, this looks a little tricky. Maybe, what if I write it like this? Negative 3 times 1 times p. What's that?
Negative 3p.
That is, but yeah, let's let him get it. Yeah, good pizza. Yeah, do you see how this is negative 3p? Yeah, I know you wanted to say negative 4, right? Because you're like, oh, it's minus 3 minus 1, but yeah, no. When you're multiplying, right, you multiply the numbers, okay? Okay, good. So this right here is minus 3p. So what do you think is going to happen when this one multiplies by this one, pizza? What's going to happen?
The same thing.
Good, but what is it going to be? We have minus 3, right, times what?
2q.
Negative 2q. Negative 2q. There's a minus here. Okay. So this is going to be minus 3, right? Times negative 2q, right? What's that going to become?
Negative, wait, no, it would be positive, right?
Positive what?
6q.
Good. Yes. So this whole thing, right? This whole thing turns into positive 6q, right? So instead of writing minus all this stuff, I'm just going to write plus 6q. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good. And then we still have this, right? The plus 2p. And then we have the 5q plus, right? The 5q is still plus, like, all this stuff we did, right? What happens when you have a plus and a minus? What does that become? Have you done this before, pizza? If you have, like, plus, minus?
It just become still a negative.
Good, yes. This just becomes a negative, right? This is just negative,
Yeah.
okay? Good. All right, now let's combine some like terms.
5q.
Uh-huh.
Plus negative 3. Wait, no, 6q. Oh, plus
5, good.
positive 6q.
Plus positive 6q.
That would be 11q.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And
then what else?
then you do the negative 3p plus the positive 2p.
Yes. What's that going to be?
Negative 1p.
Yes. Good. So that's going to be minus 1p. But the other way to write 1p is what?
Just p.
Yeah, just p. Yeah. Do you see that? Have you done that, pizza? You remember how, like, your teacher up here, there was nothing in front of the p, so they wrote a 1? So when there is a 1, you can just get rid of it and just leave it how it is.
Yeah.
Cool? Awesome, dude. That's great, dude. Nice. Yongi, when did you redeem your bond coin on the stream? Also, was your name different? Like, some of you guys have different names on Twitch and Discord, which makes it hard for me to track you. What's up, dude?
These are honestly the easiest questions that I have taken before.
Good. Well, it's review. You know, it's good.
I can't believe it's like they go on high classes, but then they ask the stuff I know.
I know. Bob, what's up? Bob, you here, dude? Bob, Baran. Bob.
Yeah, I definitely can't.
There's Bob. What's up, Bob? Yeah. Bob, I always like when you give me questions because, you know, like, it's cool. Like, I love teaching the you know, the more elementary, like, simple math stuff. And then here comes Bob with, like, all right, Dr. Gold, we're going to go do some calculus. And I'm like, okay, cool. Let's hit the gym, you know? It's like I'm like doing these easy workouts, and then you're like, oh, let's throw 2 plates on and start doing some bench press. I'm like, okay, cool. So,
wait, what is calculus anyways?
This is calculus.
Will I ever?
You will get
will
to
I
it.
ever run into calculus?
Yes, you will 100% run into calculus, dude. Anyways, okay.
English just graphs
stuff
like graphs.
It's graphs. I mean,
Basically.
okay, calculus is the study of like graphs and like the area underneath graphs as well as like the slope of graphs. That's really all it is. You know, if you really want to get down to it. That's
What's
calculus.
the point of learning all that? It's not like we're going to
Because that's how the world works, dude. The world is calculus, man, dude. Everything obeys like, dude, like what? Like graphs of shit, like you need to know like area underneath graphs because that tells you everything, right? You also need to know where graphs are going, right? That's it. For instance, you know, let's look at Tesla stock today. I always like looking at stocks, right? You know, damn, she's pumping 190. My boy's got like 130 calls on this, dude. He's about to get murked. Okay, anyways, do you see how these are graphs, right? These are
Yes.
These are graphs, right? You can use calculus to predict things with this. Like these are like slopes and like there's area underneath and whatnot. This is like if you want to go make a ton of fucking money in like finance and stuff, you need calculus.
Calculus is the fucking thing they use to like make the graphs to predict the graphs. Oh,
Yes.
I never knew that.
No, to analyze the graphs. They analyze the graphs. They analyze them.
They just guess the numbers and just
Yes,
put it
guess
up
the
there,
numbers. Yeah, because dude, if you can guess the numbers in the stock market, you're gonna be really fucking rich. So like, that's why you should do calculus. You know. Anyways, okay. All right, Bob. This one looks kind of weird though, right? Yeah. Oh man. Oh, okay. I think I know how to do this one.
So I have you as cos t, right?
Yeah, this is the integral of e to the cosine of t, sine of t, dt. All right, there's a method for this. There's a trick. What's the trick?
U substitution.
Good. Now, with u substitution, you want to pick your u to be something that would make the integral really easy to solve, and also that the derivative of that shows up somewhere else. Okay? That's the trick for u substitution. So, looking at this integral, what would make this integral easier, like, to integrate?
Oh, cos t.
Good. Yeah, because if I was just integrating e to the x, I know how to do that, right? That's an easy one to integrate, right? So I'm going to say, cool, yeah, u is equal to cosine of t. And then what you need to figure out is what du is, okay?
And that's negative sine t.
Yeah, good. And then
Yeah,
you dt, negative sine of t, dt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, good. This is going to go to the integral of, this is going to be e to the u. And then what you always want to do is you want to solve for like what dt is going to be. So I'm going to rewrite this as dt is equal to du divided by the negative sine of t, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I plug that back in, right, I'm going to get, so we had this originally, right? We had sine of t, and then we have du over negative sine of t. Do you see how the t's are going to cancel out, the sine of t's?
Yeah.
Good. This is, and then what you're left with, right, is just negative integral of e to the u du, right?
Uh-huh.
Now, yeah, this is the trick. So if you pick the right thing for u, you should only have u's at the end. If you still have a t here, or something, anything that's not a u, then you screwed up. Then you need to go try to pick something else, right?
Mm-hmm.
The example for this would be like, let's say, for instance, I picked sine of t to be u, right? Let's say u is equal to sine of t. Du would be equal to cosine of t dt. So dt would equal to du over cosine t. Now if I plug back in, right, that's like e to the still cosine of t, right? And then now sine of t is just sine of t. But then my dt is du over cosine of t, right? So I still have t's everywhere, right? This is bad.
Yeah.
You didn't do the right thing. You don't want to do that. Okay. All right, good. So we get to this point. All right. So now you just got to figure out what's the integral of e to the u du. What is that?
E to the u.
Good. So this is just going to be e to the u plus c, okay? And then what's the last step I do?
The negative.
Not sorry, yeah, I have the negative wrong, yeah. But let's remember, our original equation, Bob, didn't have anything to do with u. U is some imaginary thing we came up with, right? So instead of u here, I'm going to have cosine of t. And this is very important because a lot of kids will end up like putting the u back in once they get to here. And I'm like, no, don't do that. No, that's wrong. Don't do that. Like, wait until you've done the integral, then substitute in back in for u, okay?
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
So, if you go up a bit.
Yes.
And then for the du part in the integral.
Mm-hmm.
So my teacher, she does it like, so she would write e to the u.
Yeah.
Sine t times whatever is du, so like negative sine t dt. Is that right or no?
No, that's wrong.
Okay.
That is so wrong. What? You can only.
I think that's what they do. I don't know.
You're saying she does this like e to the u, and then instead of du, she's writing negative sine of t dt.
Yeah.
No, because you don't want to have two different variables.
Du.
Yeah, you don't want two different variables. When you're doing integrals, you want to only have that variable. Probably what she's doing is she's saying, oh, this, right, looks like this, but it has a negative on it. So she's like, oh, okay, cool. That's why it's basically e to the u, and then it's negative du. Maybe that's what she's saying. But it's not always that nice. It's not always like, oh, I just need a minus sign. So, like, the better way to do that is I write out what u is, I take the derivative of both sides, then I solve for dt, okay? And I plug whatever it is for dt, I plug it into here. That's what I do.
Okay.
It's a foolproof way to do it. And it's actually pretty cool. Okay, so for instance here, real quick. If I had the derivative, right, of, let's say, not sine, what do I want to do? Yeah, okay, whatever. If I had the derivative of e to the x squared, right? Do you know what this is? What does this become?
The derivative of that?
Oh, actually, no. Sorry. Let me think of something else. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If I have the derivative of this is okay. If I have the derivative of e to the x squared, right? And I want to take the derivative of this, what does this become?
2x times e to the x squared.
Good, right? Do you see how this like pulled down the derivative of this? Okay.
Yeah.
Watch what happens if I take the integral of it would have to be like 2x e to the x squared. Okay. If you use u substitution, or yeah, right. Oh, actually, no. This is what I want to do. Sorry. Let me take this.
I take this all back. Oh, someone put baby voice on right when I'm explaining this. Okay. Thank you, Pug. Oh, Pug, we gotta play Blox Fruit later, dude. Yeah, Blox Fruit. Okay. Sorry, this is what I wanted to show. Okay. E to 5x. What's the derivative of that?
5 times e to 5x.
Good. Yeah, see how that's an easy chain rule, right? Okay. What's the integral of e to the 5x?
Use u substitution.
Good, watch. So u is equal to 5x, right? Sorry, I gotta put the dx there. So du, right, equals 5 dx, right? So that means that dx is du over 5, right? So now this technically becomes integral of e to the u du over 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which is just 1/5 e to the u, which is just 1/5 e to the 5x. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I went a little faster. Okay. We get to here, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm gonna pull the 1/5 out. Integral of e to the u du. What's integral of e to the u du?
E to the u.
Good. And then I resub in, right? What u was?
E to the 5x.
Good. Do you see a pattern here?
Yeah.
So when you take derivatives and it's just a constant that's like screwing up your thing with the chain rule, you multiply it, right? You multiply it by 5 or something, right? It's the same thing if like you take the derivative of sine of 3x, right? That's 3 cosine of 3x, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But when you integrate whatever that number is, instead of multiplying it on the front, you divide by it. This is like the parallels between like integration and derivatives. It's pretty cool. Do you
Wait, so can I always do that or no?
Always,
like, even if
yeah.
the X is not there?
As long as it's just a constant that's multiplying it. So for instance, if I have sine of 5x, or let's say like 8x, okay, right? The derivative of this would be 8 cosine of 8x, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The integral of this would be negative 1/8 cosine of 8x. You see how it's kind of like a chain rule, but it's like dividing instead of multiplying.
Yeah.
If you were to do u substitution to take the integral of this, you would get this. Integral of sine is negative cosine because it's sine and cosine flip, right? You know, derivative of sine is cosine, integral of sine is negative cosine. But this part, the dividing by 8 instead of multiplying by 8, that's the parallel between derivatives and integrals.
Okay.
But it only works if you're just multiplying whatever your variable is by a number. If you start like putting exponents and stuff, no, it starts screwing stuff. Because the integral of this becomes a u substitution thing that you need another x out here in order for that to work.
Wait, so say down. Wait, put that x in front of the integral.
Sure.
Can you assume that x is a constant and move it to the front?
No, x is not a constant. If this is integral dx, any x is treated as something that changes. So you can't pull things out. You can only pull things out that don't depend on the d whatever. The dx means anything with x, you can't pull it out. Right. The reason why I put the x here, Bob, is because in order for u substitution to work, right, I would have to have u equal to 8x squared, right? So du would equal to 16x dx, right?
Yeah.
Do you see how there's an x and there's an x outside? You need that because when this goes underneath, right, and I substitute in this for here, this 16x on the bottom will kill the x on the top.
Okay.
And then I'll just be left with, it'll be sine of u over 16 du is what it'll be. Then this is something you can integrate. Yeah. That's the key thing with u substitution is always make sure that whatever you pick for u, that the derivative of it exists somewhere else. Cool?
Wait, how would I integrate that sine u over 16?
Oh, that's easy. Well, you can pull the 16 in this case. This is just 1/16 integral of sine of u.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I see now.
That's just negative cosine. Yeah, you got it. Cool.
Okay,
All right.
Thank you.
That'll help you out, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Sick. I saw you post some more questions, but try using those strats we learned to do those. If you there are tricky ones there, especially with the secants and the tangents. You need to remember like the derivative of secant is secant tan, and the derivative of tangent is secant squared. Like there's some tricky ones there, but you can ask them next time on Monday if you're still stuck, and I'll show you how to do them. They're pretty cool.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, dude. Okay, nice. All right, we get one over there for Bob, and we are done. Cool. Thank you, everyone, for coming to office hours today. Wonderful, wonderful Friday. Justice delivered. Yeah, he can post the links. Yeah. Are you not a mod? Are you not a mod in my? Wait, one sec. Let me make him a mod real quick. He must be a mod. I don't know. I gotta figure it out actually. Okay, I should make you a mod in my Twitch. I don't know why you're not a mod in my Twitch yet, Teacup. Anyways, thank you everyone for coming to office hours. I had a lot of fun answering all the questions. Oh yeah. And we got some donations in yesterday, which is super sick. So I really want to say a huge thank you to our February donors, Kurt Lorenzen and Kathy Myers. I love you guys. You guys are great. Thank you so much for supporting Actual Education and all the fun stuff we do. If you're watching the stream and you ever want to, help out with what we're doing, we have a website that explains everything. Where is it? One second. Let me pull it up. It's actual.education. Here you can learn more about like how our program works and like how we help students. We have a whole demo reel here on YouTube. School shutdowns. So it's kind of a cool little video that describes in 3 minutes or less like what we do. And then if you want to donate, we have a donation page, which you can go to right here by clicking on donate if it wants to load. There you go. And you can donate whatever you want.
I feel like I'm a part of those,
You are part of these videos.
Yeah,
you are part of the videos, dude. Yeah. But yeah, it's very cool stuff. So we'll be big things ahead. I got a lot of cool emails I got to follow up on with people. I'm really awesome. Not really awesome. Sorry. I'm really happy to be getting the responses we are from people in the industry, my friends and family, and everyone else. So I'm really excited. Anyways, okay. We'll be streaming again Monday, 2 hours earlier. So that'll be Monday at 3 p.m. If you guys want to join and have any questions. So now what we're gonna do is we do like usually an hour-ish, a little bit over if we have lots of students doing homework questions, and then afterwards I play for an hour with the students in various video games. Today is Friday, which means we're gonna play Roblox. I think we're gonna play Blox Fruits. And then, so Monday is Fortnite, and Wednesday is Warzone. Although, in the actual gaming channel, which we're going to go to next, if you get enough channel points, you can actually change the game that we play, if you want.
Does it even actually work then?
It does, yeah.
Because it does. But I just looked at it and it said out of stock.
Oh, is it? Did someone else buy it? You can only buy it twice during the stream. You're going to buy it. Anyways, all right. Thank you, everyone. If you want to keep hanging around, watching us play some Roblox with the students afterwards, we're going to be raiding the actual gaming channel. Meet me out over there, and we'll see you there. Peace, guys. All right.